Ben Hyde here with BCC Hardware, and today we're at CES 2013 at the Trump Towers, and we're talking with Robert from Digital Storm, and he's got some amazing stuff to talk about today.
So today I'm going to be showing you our Aventum 2 system. So this is a custom high-end sort of enthusiast dream machine. A system that we really wanted to put together that was bespoke, very special. Everything you see with the chassis here was designed, engineered, and built in-house. So we're very, very proud of this. You know, all assembled in America, built in America. So really happy about that. On here, one thing we just started offering is nickel-plated copper tubing. So, you know, it's just a nice feature when someone's buying a really high-end rig like this. You want to have something that's not only with the case bespoke, but you want to have other features that's just, you can't run down to a store, do this. So we implemented this into the system, gives it a nice, clean, professional look, and just something that you don't really see out on the market.
Right. Excellent. So the other features are, you've got some great thermals as far as keeping temperatures isolated.
Yes, the whole point of this chassis was not only to make an impressive unit, but to also keep temperatures down really low. We have a thermal exhaust chamber here, so this draws in cold air from the front, exhausts it through these ports here, and these are all 140 mil fans, and we have triple 140 mil radiators on each side of the system, and then that exhausts it out through an exhaust port on the back of the computer. So that means that even if you're doing an intense load scenario, you're not getting any heat stagnating inside of the system, or any of the system's heat being pulled into the radiators. It's just its own channel, it keeps things nice and cool.
Right, excellent. So what is a system like this going to start? What's the starting price of the system going to be? And what are we looking for hardware on the starting price?
They start around $5,000. So I don't think we'll be getting the nickel plating at that price.
Right.
But you know, this system's about what, seven and a half, I believe. Okay. So I mean, you don't have to go up too high to get some really impressive hardware. Right. And then these can really go to the, you know, the sky's the limit. So you want to do 4 video cards, you want to do dual Xeons, overclock everything to the moon. Right. You know, there's plenty of different room for configurations and options for our customers.
Excellent. And these are available when?
These will be available in March, the system.
Excellent.
So very, very soon.
Absolutely. Well, it looks amazing, and I'm sure that many readers and people would love to be packing one of these to the land if they could rent a dolly, because this is a beast. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, also at Digital Storm, you guys, we've seen this unit around the show floor a couple places. So what is this and this little awesome beast?
This is our Digital Storm Bolt. So this is a really high-end micro tower system. So it's kind of a system that, you know, you're going to have full desktop power, but in a very portable, easy-to-carry package. Right. So, you know, in these things, you really wanted to design a system that was bespoke, custom. You know, there's nothing else that looked like it on the market. So this aggressive stealth bomber-looking style to it. Again, all custom built in-house, you know, custom designed. This is all our one-off components. Right. You know, this system right here is sporting a GTX 670. We have an i7 3770. We have room for a single hard drive, 2 SSDs, or 2 full-size hard drives. And all of these come with a 550-watt power supply. So even if you're buying our entry-level unit and you want to upgrade your video card later on, you're not going to have to change out your power supply. So you can just buy that, drop in that new component, and you'll be good to go.
Right. What amazed me, I saw this the other night when we were around, and I saw, you know, such a thin system. I thought immediately, well, that's going to kind of be crappy because there's going to be no full-size or full-height graphics card in it. But you guys have done a lot of engineering and a riser card and lots of other weird things in here to make it all fit and make it work.
Yeah, that's the thing. We didn't want a computer that, you know, you'd get it and it was very limited or you couldn't upgrade. So we can fit currently up to a GTX 680 in these systems. Right. You know, full-sized CPU and heat sinks and everything. So they've got a full bevy of hardware to keep pace with even some pretty hardcore desktops.
Absolutely. Well, that's cool, and I know that I would take one. That would probably replace my Xbox.
Definitely, man.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.
Not a problem.